Hello friends, it's Amy, your sewing teacher here. I am here today to show you how to lengthen a zipper for making pouches. It's using the tab ends and having a square zipper on a regular pouch. So what do you do if you want to make something and the zippers that you have are too short? The one thing that I like to do is I like to put a tab end on my zippers, and that not only gives me extra length to the zipper, but it also allows me to make something bigger than the zipper. So if I'm going to make a pouch, I can actually use this 9-inch zipper that I had shortened in my previous video, and I can actually make this into a 10 or 11-inch opening for the top of a pouch, let's say, or in a pocket. The thing is with this is I can't make the zipper part, the part that opens, larger, but I can use it in a larger project. So all you do for this is you take the shorter zipper, or you take the zipper that you had shortened if you shortened it a little bit too short. You put the good side of your fabric on the good side of the zipper, which is the zipper head side up, and you just lay it down on top in the middle and pin through it like so. And you're going to do that on both sides of this. So I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to do it on this side as well. So I'm going to open the zipper just a little bit, find the good side of my fabric, put the good side of my fabric down on the good side of the zipper, and then I take a pin and I'm going to pin right through the end of that. And this allows me to have the tabs equal if I'm making a pouch. And the best thing about using tabs when making a pouch is that it actually squares up the top of the bag, and you don't have to struggle with the zipper ends when you're making the bag. So I'm just going to take this to the machine, and then I'm going to sew them on, and that's how you lengthen the zipper for a pouch or a pocket. With the zipper side up, so that I can see what I'm going through, I'm going to sew over the zipper to sew the tab on. Going to do the same on the other side. And now you will see that the zipper has been elongated. I generally like to top stitch it down after. So let me show you what that looks like. I just find that by top stitching things down, you can't actually see this because the lighting's not very good here, but by top stitching it down, I never have to worry about it coming back up and looking bulgy after it's been washed, if this is a pouch that's going to be washed. Thanks for watching today. I am your sewing teacher. Please feel free to click subscribe. Check us out every Sunday when we upload videos. Hope that this has helped you in a little way in your own sewing journey. Please feel free to join us on the sewing journey of my students and my children as we learn the great art of sewing. Have a great day.